Hey my loves, it's Tashira. Today I'm here with the fruity floral shower routine. To start off, I'll be using the Yardley London Shea Buttermilk Bath Bar. This is going to serve as my base clean and will get my skin all fresh and clean before going in with other products. You want to use an actual cleansing bar that's going to strip away the dirt before you go trying to smell like fruity floral goodness. So let's lather up. You want to make sure to get all the parts of your body, your legs, underarms, shoulders, neck, back. And do not neglect your feet, okay? Please don't forget to clean your toes, underneath your feet, the bottoms of your feet, your heels. You want to get all that dead skin off of your feet and, it'll eliminate any odor that could come about. After I'm all clean, then I'm going to exfoliate. I'll be using the Bath & Body Works Fiji Sunshine Guavatini Sand and Sea Salt Body Scrub. I absolutely love this stuff. I wish I bought like 2 or 3 when they had them, but they're all sold out, and that's okay. This feels so good though. It smells like fruity amazingness, and it makes your skin incredibly soft and smooth. I like that it foams up like a body wash on the skin too. While it can be a little messy, the Bath & Body Works Sand and Sea Salt Body Scrubs are in my top 3 favorite scrubs, especially this scent. So fruity and juicy. I feel like a total goddess when I use this because it's so incredibly softening and moisturizing. I don't even have to use a moisturizing body wash after this. This is a foaming sort of scrub, so it's pretty much kind of like using a body wash and scrub all in one. And I am just taking my time, concentrating on each part of my skin, each part of my body, exfoliating, massaging, just making sure I give each part of my body extra love, extra care, because what is self-care without, just that extra little love? Now I'm going to just rinse off and make sure you get all of those little particles. You don't want any leftover sand, getting stuck in your crevices anywhere, or you don't want to put on your PJs and then notice that there's, sand and salt particles everywhere. While my skin is slightly damp, I'm going in with the Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Steeped Invigoration Oil in the scent Rose, Tangerine, and Tea. This is a calming, aromatic body and massage oil that smells like flowers, plus a burst of juicy citrus fruit. Since my skin is a little damp, the oil is just gonna lock in that extra hydration, leaving my skin soft and smelling good. On top of that, I'm gonna layer the Honey Wildflower Body Cream. This is a soft, sweet floral scent. Very moisturizing, especially on top of the body oil. For an added layer of fruity goodness, on top of that sweet floral, I'm gonna spray myself down with the Fiji Sunshine Guavatini Fine Fragrance Mist. I'm gonna make sure my skin is dripping wet. I'm gonna smell so good after this. So good. And then I'm just putting on my robe. I got this from Shein. Isn't it cute? And we can't forget our lips. We want soft, hydrated lips. Going in with the Seraphine Orange and Cream lip polish, I'm going to exfoliate my lips and get all that dead skin off. I'm going in circular motions with my finger. You never want to rub your lips with a scrub. Don't, rub your lips together. It's way too much pressure and can cause micro tears, taking off more than just the dead skin on your lips, leaving your lips raw and painful. And it's time to moisturize. I'm going to use the LA Colors Jelly Lip Balm in Strawberry. This is lightweight and makes freshly exfoliated lips feel like silk. The perfect fruity floral routine for soft, hydrated skin all day or night. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!